Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn the integration by partial fraction. Children, you know that integrand can be decomposed or broken into sum of two simpler rational functions, and this process of writing the integrand into sum of simpler rational numbers is known as partial fraction method. Let's see what types of question you will be getting in partial fraction. You have to identify the questions that here you have to apply the partial fraction method. So the simple identification is that whenever you are getting in the denominator factor form or simply quadratic polynomial form, then you will be using partial fraction method. Children, let's see how many types of questions we can get in this topic, that means in partial fraction. So here first of all, if you have some polynomial in the numerator and you have any two factors in the denominator, then you can write this in the form of sum of 2 or more than 2. So here two factors are given, so I will be writing it as a by x plus a plus b integration x plus b dx. Here you will be finding out the values of a and b and then you will be integrating it. Secondly, if you get it like this, if it is px plus q and say it is given to you as x plus a whole square, then you will be writing it as integration of a upon x plus a dx plus integration of b upon x plus a whole square dx. That means whenever you have whole raised to power, then you will be writing it as 1 power as 1 and then power as 2. If it is 3, then you will be adding on c upon x plus a whole cube. Then you see the third thing, if you have polynomial function over here, say this is px square plus qx plus c, and if you have x plus a plus or minus, sign can be plus or minus, x plus b or x minus c, or you can take it plus, then you will be writing it as integration of a upon x plus a dx plus integration of b upon x plus b dx plus integration of c upon x plus c dx. In the fourth type, you have integration of px square plus qx plus c whole upon x minus a or x plus a whole square x plus b. If the combination of this and this is given, then you can write it as integration of, here just now I have told you whenever you have whole raised to power something, then you will be writing it first of all 1 power and then you will be writing it as b upon x plus a whole square, and here one more factor is given to you, so you will be adding one more constant to it, so it will be x plus b dx. Then you have one more thing, children. If you have integration of px square plus qx plus c, that means a quadratic polynomial in the numerator, and in the denominator if you have a factor in this form, that means it in linear form, and here if you have a quadratic polynomial, say ax square plus bx plus c, then you will be writing it as a upon x minus a integration of this, but whenever it is given in quadratic polynomial and if you cannot convert this into factor form, then you will be writing it as bx plus c whole upon ax square plus bx plus c. Children, you have to be careful over here whenever the things are given in your quadratic polynomial form. Here it is quadratic polynomial form, then you have to write it like this, bx plus c. So children, here you can see a common pattern that whatever is the degree of the variable in the denominator, in the numerator it is 1 less than the denominator. Here also the degree of the polynomial, here it is 2 but here it is 1. Here also it is 2, but here it is 3. 1, 2, 3. If you will multiply it, you will get x raised to power 3. So in every these 5 types, you will be finding that degree of numerator is always less than degree of denominator. But children, if you get degree in the numerator greater than denominator, then what you have to do? Children, then you have to divide it and you have to convert into mixed fraction. Or in simple words, I can say that whenever you are applying partial fraction, you have to convert your given rational number or rational function into your proper fraction form. So remember, whenever your degree of numerator is greater than the degree of denominator, then you have to convert into proper fraction by dividing it, and then you will be writing it in mixed fraction. Like if it is 7/4, then you write it as in this form, or I can write in this form. So whenever the degree of the numerator is greater than the denominator, then you have to convert into mixed fraction, and then you will be again solving according to these 5 kinds. Children, the last step was not clearly visible. Now you can see the last step also, and just go through all these 5 points. In the next video, we will be taking the questions based on different kinds. So in partial fraction, the identification is simple, that whenever you are getting in the denominator in factor form, then you have to apply your partial fraction method. Have a look.